Did you register MyLab's statistics? See, yeah, thank you. Thank you for registration for the MyLab statistics. I have, let me count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15. Yeah. It's several of you didn't register yet. Okay, so please do as soon as possible. And let me download the lecture note. And also, yes, yesterday or Monday, I emailed you the syllabus again and the lecture notes again. Did you get the lecture notes? Okay, good. If you didn't, please email me. Yeah, I can email you again the lecture notes. It's everything. Today, let me start the chapter 1. Also this morning I emailed you the we have a help desk for the Pearson's MyLabs. Did you get the email this morning? Yeah, I didn't bring the copy, but we have a help desk for the Pearson's MyLabs. Today and tomorrow is maybe the downstairs in this building. So it's already you registered, there's no problem. Then you don't have to visit the help desk. But please, if you didn't yet, then please try immediately after class. And if you have any problem, please ask them. And also, you can ask them is any question, is any help for using the MyLabs. Sometime to time, I will suggest to you. Yeah, is how can you use the MyLabs, because some of you is already using the MyLabs before in another course, but as many of you is the first time to using the is MyLabs in statistics. So sometime to time, when you are doing the homework, then I can give you the directions. Okay. Remember, it's no actual homework this week. Okay. It's not today. It's not Friday. But I posted the homework number 0. Yeah, I can show you the homework number 0. When I go to MyLabs. Yep, it's go to the MyLab stat all assignments. And here's the number 0. And see, it's a question number 1. Which one is the smile face? Which one is the smiling face? D, right? For some reason, you choose the ugly face. Check the answer. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, definitely it is not smiling. But you can try. You can try one more time. Okay, so next time you select the correct one, then you can get the credit. Okay, so it is very practical, the simple homeworks. So all of you got 100%. But what I want to show you, if you got the wrong answer, you can try again. Okay, and even though I put a couple of times, it's a couple of trials, right? But even still, you don't have the full credit. You don't have the correct answer. And even you can select a similar question. And everything is a reset. Okay, then you can try again. So finally, not this one. Where? Okay. Oh, now it's a choice B, right? Yeah, it's a check answer. Then you can get the full credit. Okay, and go to the next one. Yeah, it's a select the correct. Yeah, I told you. When you did I told you when you solve these problems, it is enough. It is enough for the statistics. Don't be afraid. The statistics is not too difficult, right? Yeah. So it's a 1 times 2. It will be 2. 1 plus 2 is not 2. No subtraction. No, it's nothing. 1. Yes, 1 and 1, 2. 1 times 1, it will be 1. Okay. Yeah. Take answer. Good. Excellent. I'm genius, you know. And the next one, yeah, just click. Oh, I have to move to here, right? Yeah. It's the same thing. It's a wrong answer. Then you can try again. Okay, the next time is a. See, can you see this button? You know, before the second time, it said it is the final. But now, it is not yet. So let me put wrong another answer. Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah, try again. Yeah, now it is a final check. Yeah, sometime twice, sometime 3 times. Okay, I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, now I got the credit. And go to the next. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's a move to there. Yeah. So in the homework, is any kind of homework, you have a couple of times chance to get the correct answer. But you use them all, click the similar question. Try again. Okay? Yeah. And then let me save it. Yeah, and it is due. It is due by Friday midnight. It is homework number 0. And even though you can try it, it's after Friday, but there is a 20% deductions. Yep, there's a 20% deductions. So even though some reason you missed the homework, then even you can get up to 80%. Okay, so please do your best. Any question for the homework? Okay, good. Yeah. So as many times as I can give you some tips or help, yeah, in the homework. Okay. So if you have any question, please ask me. Or if you have any other question in the course from the syllabus or me. Okay, good. Okay, chapter 1. You know, actually the chapter 1, it has almost topics. Oh, it's too much, I think, right? So in general, chapter 1 introduces us what is the statistics, right? But today, I just take only one definitions. It is what is the population and what is the sample. So it's not only this one, there are so many topics, but let me discuss it's only the 2 things, population and the sample. First, look at the population. The population is a collection of all individuals or items. Okay, so now let me give an example. You are students in UAFS. So let me take you in the population. Population as a UAFS. How many students we have? 4,000, 5,000? Yeah, it's 4,000, 5,000. They are all in the population. And also you are. Yeah, why not? It's you are in the population. But we have more. It's 4,000, 5,000 students, right? I want to know, I'm teaching statistics, so I want to know your math course, the math scores in ACT. It's not all, but most of you took the ACT, right? Yeah. So I want to collect the ACT math scores. Did you submit your ACT scores when you got the admissions, right? Yeah. So where can I get the scores? Probably the office of the records. It's the second floor over there, right? They have, it's everything is for you, right? So when I visit the office and introduce myself, my name is Dr. Teaching statistics in math department, and ask them, can I get ACT math scores for every student? What do you expect? Can I get it? No. Even though I'm one of the faculty members in this school, but why? Why they give me your scores? It's almost impossible. And for some special reason, yeah, I could, but generally, I can't. But I want to know. I want to know student math scores. How about this? We have a help desk is downstairs for the Pearsons, the my left. I put is another table at the gate, library. Can I see all students? How many times do you visit the library? Yeah, not really, right? Yeah. I cannot see. What do I need? I need the math scores in the population. Who are in the population? 4,000, 5,000 students. It's all students in UAFS. I need them. I need them 4,000, 5,000 math scores, right? That is what I want to get. You understand, right? Put the table in front of the library. Oh no, it's not a good idea. Then what? Any idea? Please help me. I need it. 4,000, 5,000 scores. Any idea? Just give up? Please don't give up. We have to do our best. How about this one? At least I can email you. It's not only you, it's everybody. It's every student. So I just email is every student in the population in UAFS and introduce myself. My name is blah, blah, blah. Can you give me your score? See, now you are who I am, right? I'm your teacher, instructor, right? But as maybe in last summer, a month ago, last spring, you got an email from me. Did you? Did you let me know strangers interesting last name? Did you? No. Just click delete, right? What I want to say, to get the math scores for everybody in the population, it is not easy. Because the population, there are so many individuals, there's so many students, and sometimes they do not trust us, right? Yeah, and sometimes it's almost impossible. Is any special reason? Without any special reason, right? It is not easy, but still, I want you, right? Now we need the sample. What is a sample? A part of the population. So we can take the sample. It's just you. Think about yourself. You are in the population, right? And now you are here. I have about it's 18, it's about 20 students here, right? Yeah. When I ask you, not right now, but tonight, I will email only you. It's only you. Hi, it's me. Can you give me your score by email? Thank you. Yeah. Good, right? Now, how about, yeah, why not? Yeah, I'm your instructor. Do you trust me? Oh, come on. See, now you are in the sample and also you are part of the population, right? Now it is much easier. Now it is much easier to get the math scores from you, from the sample. So still, I can get the math scores from you, and the main goal in statistics is actually, but still, I want to know I want to know is not only the scores from you, but from the population. So now I have to do just estimation. I just estimate. Estimate what is the scores. Okay? How do you think? When I get sample and I just get only math scores from you, is the ACT score is up to 36? Is the maximum is the 36? Okay. And when I estimate the math scores from you, then I can expect it must be 32. Because you like math. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, yeah. You are taking statistics. You like math, right? Why not? Yeah. I take the average from you, 32. Do you expect the other students in the population is 32? No, no. Probably it's lower, right? Yeah. So always we have some errors. Always. In statistics, always. Let me ask you. Are you Vietnamese or? Yes. Vietnam? Oh, okay, it's Asian. Oh, how? I knew it. Okay, look at me. You are Asian, right? Yes. How old am I? Oh, come on, guess, estimation, guess. How old? Guess. Again? You need my face? Again?
I don't know, maybe 40?
40? Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes. How do you think?
Probably the same.
Oh, come on. You got more information. She made me happy. It's my day today. She said 40, right? Yeah. Yeah, oh, good guess. Older. How much?
50, and 50.
That's it. How much?
In the 50s.
In the 50s? 52? How much did you say? 56? What's your name? Come on. Okay, now you have more information, right? When she said 40, I was so happy, and she said 56, angry. Okay, now what? 53? Yeah, but still not happy. Okay, it's a range. It's getting smaller, right? 51. You. 50? How about you?
45.
How much?
45.
45? Yeah, I remember. I'm 50. See? Guessing errors. Okay? But when she said 40, oh, so happy, right? It means older. You gave me too much.
I just go with my dad.
Yeah.
I just
So,
go with my dad.
but it's a good example, right? It's a lower, upper, right? And the getting, it is the statistics. It is what we have to do in statistics. When we have any small information, we have to use it. Why? To minimize the error. See, always we want to know something in the population, but any reason it is almost impossible. And sometimes it's much harder, almost impossible. Because of that, we have to take a small part of the population, name the sample. Actually, the sample is not the population, it's much smaller, right? So we have some errors. I'm so sorry. Yeah, no other choice. Always some errors. Always we have to guess, estimation. But we need the smaller errors. It is the role, it is the goal in statistics. Understand what I'm saying? Right? Yeah. So, let me ask you, how old am I? 50, yes. Yes, I am. No errors. How did you know that? I told you. Right? Now, you knew it. How old I am? I'm 50. No errors. We don't need the statistics. Please look at outside. Is it sunshine? How did you know that? You can see it, right? No errors, no statistics. How about yesterday? We got rain? No, so hot. Yesterday, we knew it. We don't need the statistics. No errors. How about tomorrow? Nobody knows. Probably, probably. Sunshine, hot, no rain. Who knows? Who knows?
Yeah. Even the weather.
Let me go to the weather.com. Yeah, weather.com. Give me some.
And then probably Salon has the weather people don't know.
Today is up to, I think now it's 83. Oh my God, it's going up to 101. Stay home, read the textbook, and study in the library. Okay? Yeah, don't go outside. How about tomorrow? Tomorrow, where is the tomorrow? Is it this one? Is it today? Tomorrow. Oh, better. Better. 99. Tomorrow is a sunny. It's better. 99. It's only 6%. The rain is not 0%. In statistics, we are not sure 0%. We are not sure 100%. 6%? Do you expect a rain tomorrow?
No.
No, it never happens. How about the 24? No. Even a major in statistics? No. 38? Still no?
Yeah.
Probably. Okay, good.
From my experience.
Yes. My experience, no. Who knows? But who knows, right? Yeah, it's nobody knows. You know, anybody is coming from tomorrow? If so, please let me know the lottery number. Nobody knows what happens tomorrow. Okay? What do I need? Statistics. See the percentages. It is the very simple. It's a value number from the statistics because we don't know it. So what I want to say, we are going to do, yeah, is a briefly, simply I just take only one topic. What is the population and what is the sample? And I introduce you what we are going to do in statistics. Always is estimation. Always we have some errors. What is our goal? To minimize the errors. Yes.
So by taking more than one sample, can you lessen the amount of error in your
That is
data?
another way. Yes. You know, in this course, we are going to discuss the statistics in general, but we have any other many topics. But every day is every single course. The goal is to minimize error. More sample size, that is one of the ways. It's one of the ways to minimize the errors. We are going to discuss that one is later in this course. Yeah, that is a good point. Yeah. And also, we need a good sample. How do you think? Are you a good sample? If I got 32 from you, are you a good sample? No. You know bad sample. Even though you have a good scores in ACT math, but you are bad sample. You know why? Because the good sample means the sample represents the population similar. So if I take the math scores from the sample, it must be almost the same as the math scores in the population. What does it mean? Less errors. But you, 32, we are going to have a big errors. That means you cannot represent the population because you like math. You love statistics, right? Yeah, that is a reason. So we need a good sample. We need a good sample. We need the more sample size, and we need another one and another one and another one to minimize there. In this course, we assume we are going to have a good sample. Okay, so we don't take care of the sample. It's always we assume the good one. That is another topic in another course. Okay, but in this course, we assume that we have a good sample. Any question? I want to finish chapter 1. You know, actually the chapter 1 is huge, but I just take, it's only 2 topics. It's a population and the sample. That's it. And any other question? Let me open the second chapter. See, it is a chapter 2. Can you see the title? It's organizing the data. It's a title in chapter 2. And let me show you the chapter 3 as well. The descriptive these measures. So in chapter 2, chapter 3, both of them, we are going to discuss how can we describe the distributions. Okay, so first, today, we are going to discuss the organizing the data. You know, we had population, and remember, we want to know something in the population. It's actually not a sample, but we didn't have any choice. Yeah, we have to take a sample because it is a small part, and we can make the data. You know, the data is the data. I can ask you, it's not only the math scores, but gender, and major, name, age, lots of things. So I can make the data. So that is the data from the sample. Good, right? First of all, we have to define the variable types. We have 2 variable types. One is the qualitative, and the other one is the quantitative. As a qualitative, it is as a non-numerical. Simply, I can say it's a categorical variable. And the other one is a numerical. Okay, let me ask you. Sex, male or female? Is it categorical variable or numerical variable? Male or female? We have only 2 choices. It's a qualitative and quant, whole, right? It's a 2 choices. It's categorical, numerical. How about the male or female? Choose one. Yes, 50-50.
Female.
Huh?
Just guess one of the 2.
Yeah.
Female.
No. You have to choose what types. What types of the gender? Is it categorical or numerical?
It's categorical.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, it is easy, right? Yeah, it's a male or female. Yeah, there is 2 choices, right? But let me give you more choices. It's a blood type. Do you know what is your blood type? Yeah, my type is O. Yeah, many of you don't know what is your type, but my blood type is O. How many types? The blood? 4 types, A, B, AB, or O. O is my type, right? Categorical or numerical? Is it numerical? AB, AB, O. Categorical, yes, it's absolutely. It's hard? How about the age? 50, 19, 20, 21. Numerical, yes. Weight, height, numerical. It's all numerical. Okay? How about the school year? Freshman, sophomore, junior, senior. Is it categorical? Anybody who want to say it's a numerical? Why? Because we can assign, yeah, that is a good point. See, the freshman is the first year, and sophomore is the second year, and the junior, senior, and third year, and fourth. Some of them, yeah, it's more than 4 years, right? When I look this one, it's a freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, and more. It looks like categorical variable, right? But you can assign it's 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Sometimes it is not easy. No, you're right. You're right. See, I'm so sorry. You know, the statistics is not a mathematics. If you need only one answer, it is a wrong place. If you think it is a numerical, even though the freshman, sophomore, junior, senior is a numerical, you're right. If you think it's a categorical, you're right too. But I think for me, it looks like the categorical variable. How about the grade? A, B, C, D, F. A, B, C, D, F. See? Remember, we have only 2 choices. Categorical or numerical. Which one? A, B, C, D, F. I think it is a categorical. Raise your hand. I think it is a numerical. Why?
It's based on percentages.
Say again?
Like A would be 90 to 100% and B would be.
Oh, okay, that is a good point. Yeah. You know, in my syllabus, can you remember the table, right? I said A can be a 90% or better, and AD, sorry, is 80% to 89.9% is a B, and the 70% and the 60% and lower than 59.9% is would be the F. It looks like numerical, yes. And also we can assign the GPA. How much for A? 5, 4, 3, 2. What's wrong? No, I'm sorry. From 4. From 4, 3, 2, 1, nothing. Okay, let me ask you. Grade. Simply, I just say it's a grade. Is it numerical or categorical? Sometimes confused. And it is not easy to decide. Choose only one. Okay? It quite depends on. It's your choice. Okay? If you think, even though you can see the A, B, C, D, F, but you can say it is a numerical. Why not? What did you say? Age? For the age? Numerical? How about this? Choice 1, under 10. Choice 2, 20s. Choice 3, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s. It's over 70. How do you feel? Still numerical? Okay, it's good. But I categorized under 10, choice number 1, 20, choice number 2, 3, 4, 5. What did I say? I categorized. It might be categorical verb, right? Sometimes, I'm so sorry, it is not easy. But you have to choose one or the next step. But don't worry about that. In the exam, I do not ask you. It's not clear. Okay? In the exam, it's only I ask you what is the variable type for the sex, blood type, height, weight. Clearly, sex, blood type, categorical variable, height, weight, blood pressure is a numerical variable. But sometimes it's confusing. How about the zip code? The zip code. I'm so sorry. It's a Korean. Korean does not have the sound the Z or Q, so it's always I have some problem to pronounce the Z, Q something. But the zip code. Mine is a 72916. What is yours? Yours. 03. It's near the school, right? Yeah. 01. Anybody from Oklahoma?
I'm gonna give you old Washington zip code, my original.
Oh, really? Oh, that is interesting. How much was it?
71862.
7,
1,
1,
8,
8,
6.
6, 2. Oklahoma?
74930.
Who is the biggest one? Oh, you are the biggest one. 74903. Is it bigger? How do you think? Is it a better place?
Yeah.
Your hometown, right? See, let me ask you. Remember, only two choices: categorical, numerical. How do you think? The code is it categorical? Oh, come on, it's a numbers. Why categorical?
Because there's multiple houses in each city.
See, anybody who can read the 74,903, 72,916? No. Most of us read it. 72916, 74903. See, it is numbers, but it is the categorical variable. Simply just categorize. The basic idea is anybody from the East Coast? Anybody from the West Coast? No? Okay. I think I got PhD from the Florida State University. I remember the zip code was 3 something. And Boston, New York probably is 1 something. California is 9 something, right? So the basic idea is the East Coast is a smaller. I mean the numerical. It's getting bigger, bigger, bigger. So we have a 7 something, or 8 something. Finally, it's 9 something. But it does not have any numerical meaning. Just simply categorize, right? So it is the categorical variable. So how about this? Gender, sex, male. I'm sorry, the male, female. Sometimes we assign numbers. It's a male equal to 0, female equal to 1. What does it mean? You are nothing? Are you something? It's just a sign is 1 and 0, right? Sometimes it's 1 and 2. There's no numerical meaning, right? Yeah. So absolutely, even this way, The sex is a categorical variable, always, clearly. Z-chord, numbers, but categorical variable. Okay. Yeah. So sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's difficult. Okay. But what did I say? You have to choose one of them. Okay. So we have only two choices. It's a categorical variable and numerical variable. It's a qualitative. Oh my God. It's a qualitative and quantitative. And the quant, the numerical variable, it has another two types. One is the discrete, and the other one is the continuous. Here are the definitions. Here is the definitions of the discrete type and the continuous type. Simply, I can say it's a countable. It's a discrete. For example, it's a number of students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the integer value, it's the whole numbers. It is the discrete. Continuous is the other one, it's uncountable. For example, it's a height, weight, blood pressure, right? Yeah. So that is the it's a continuous numerical variable. How about the age? But when I ask you, how old are you in years? 50, 19, 18, 20, 21, 22 in years. It looks like the discrete numerical variable. But you know, sometimes in the Olympic Games or any the athlete event, and so there's the record. Oh, it's youngest winners, right? It's 17 years. It's 14 days. Sometimes it's 7 hours. Yeah, it depends on. It depends on. Yeah, I told you, sometimes it's not easy. But I think the age in years, discrete is closer. It's closer to the discrete, right? But sometimes it's continuous. So we have another two types. The quantitative variable is a numerical variable, but the categorical is a categorical. Okay? So now, yeah, the next one is organizing again. What? It's a qualitative, it's a categorical variable. See, the reason why I said, even though it is not easy, but you have to choose either one. Categorical variable or the numerical variable. Because if you had categorical variable, then you can do this, this, and this, and this. If you said it's a numerical, then you can do this one, and that one. Not this one. It's only this one. So even though it is not easy, but you have to choose either one. Either way. You go here, then you do this one, this one, this one, and this one, and you go there, then you do this one and this one and this one. First, we are going to discuss this way. When you chose categorical variable, okay? So here's the, yeah, it's a choose one, right? And Democrats and Republicans, and there is a three choices, right? Yeah, it's the parties. Then now we can make the frequency distribution. It's simply, I can say it's a frequency table. Here's the Democrats and Republicans and others. What we are doing?
Organize.
Organize, yes, yes, yes. Can you Can you count is how many Democrats from the table, please? Is how many Republicans and how many others, please? Anybody?
13.
What?
13.
13 Democrats. How many Republicans? 18. How many others? 9. Okay, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 5, 40. The sum is a 40? Perfect. Yes, it's a 40. Thank you. Organized. Simply, I can see, oh yeah, the 13 Democrats and 18 Republicans and 9 others and total is 40. It's very simple and beautiful, right? Oh my God, how I know. Sometimes we can add is one more column and suggest the relative frequencies. Yeah, it is a percentages. 13 out of 40, 18 out of 40, and 9 is out of 40. Where's my calculator? Oh, I didn't bring it. Yeah, can you give me the percentages? It's a 13 over 40, please? Using your, if you don't have your calculator, please use your smartphone. Yeah, smartphone has the calculator. So how much will be this one? 0.325, 32.5%. How about the 18?
45%.
40?
45%.
45, even? 0%, okay. How about the 9? Huh? I'm sorry. 92? 22.5, oh, thank you. Total must be 100%. More information. Percentages. With the name, the relative frequencies. It's organized and suggests more. Yeah, better. It's good. Who is the most? 45%, 18 Republicans. What is the least? 22.5%, 9 others. Good. It is good, right? So the first topic is organizing, summarizing with the categorical variable is make the frequency table. And let me introduce. Yeah, here is the relative frequencies. And let me introduce you one more. I want to discuss them on Friday. Okay? Yeah. So today we finished chapter 1 and we started chapter 2 and we discussed how can we make a frequency table with the relative frequencies with the categorical variable. So we can finish the chapter 2 on Friday. I might do a little bit or introduce the chapter 3 on Friday, but anyway. Any question? Yes.
For the MyMath class, there's 2 different ones. There's one up to 24 months and
Okay, have a good day. Yeah. See you on Friday. What's your name? You don't have to take another. So you can take only the 8 after that, students in that, they have to take the second later. Then I encourage them to buy the more expensive one to walk the 2 years.
I don't think a lot of people signed it because it never came up to me. It never did on the internet. I passed it that one, they were like iron brushes. I have no idea. So I sent you an email this morning, but for volleyball, we have to do COVID tests weekly, and our